Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel codersarcade. I am Nisarga. In today's video, you will be seeing the very first topic in Tally, that is receipt and payment voucher. In the previous video, I explained about meaning, features and advantages and other definitions related to Tally. So the link is given. If you guys have missed that video, the link is given in the description and it is also given in the I button. Please go check it out. Receipt and payment voucher. When it comes to payment voucher is a way to record payments. If a company make any purchases or any payment, it should be entered in payment voucher. Like furniture purchased, computer purchased, it should be entered in payment voucher, since we are paying the amount. And receipt voucher is nothing but confirmation of payment. For example, if a company received like fees received, donation received, commission received, it should be entered in receipt voucher. So you'll be getting an idea about this while solving the problem. So please pause the video and make a note of it. Before moving to the problem, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future updates or notification. Now let us begin with the problem. So go to Tally ERP9. This is the logo of Tally, power of simplicity. Now go to work in educational mode. Press enter. This is how Tally looks. So the very step in Tally is creation of company. So press Alt plus F3 for creating the company. Now go to create company and press enter. Now we can see they are asking the name of the company or the name of the business owner, anything it may be. So give the name, that is Neeraj Chopra. Address, so I'll be giving Bangalore, India, country, and select the state. These are the list of states you can see here. So I'll be selecting Karnataka. Pin code. Phone number, you can also give phone number. Mobile number. You don't need to give fax number. Email ID, I'll be giving our company's email ID, codersarcade@gmail.com. Website www.codersarcade.com. Financial year begins from 1/4/2021. So in accounting, financial year begins from 1st of April. So press enter. You don't need to worry about this password. So press enter, enter and enter. So you can see here that it is showing to accept, whether to accept this or not. So press enter to accept this. Now press escape. Now you have to create ledger. Press escape and go to accounts info and press enter. And now go to ledger, go to multiple ledger and create and press enter. Now select all items, click enter. Mr. Neeraj Chopra started a new business with 10 lakh rupees. This is the first transaction. So Neeraj Chopra comes under capital account because he is the owner of the company. Capital account. Furniture purchased. Furniture is an fixed asset. Computer is also fixed asset. Rent paid. Rent paid is an indirect expenses. It should be entered in payment voucher in accounting voucher. Next, office expenses. Office expenses is an indirect expenses. Next, bill paid. Bill paid is also indirect expenses. Fees received. Fees received is an indirect income. Comes under indirect income. Donation received. Donation received is also indirect income. Commission received. Indirect income. So now we have created all the ledger. Now press enter and accept this ledger. Now press escape and go to accounting voucher. This is accounting voucher where you have to pass all the transactions. So first transaction, Mr. Neeraj Chopra started a new business with 10 lakh rupees. It should be entered in receipt voucher because he is the owner of the company. So press F6. Select cash because the transaction is made through cash. And Neeraj Chopra. Here select Neeraj Chopra. And the amount is 10 lakh rupees. Press enter and accept this voucher. And next transaction, furniture purchased. It should be entered in payment voucher because it is an expenses for company. Select cash, furniture, amount 40,000. And here you can also give narration saying that being furniture purchased. Press enter and accept this. Next, computer purchased. Select cash, computer, amount 15,000. So narration being computer purchased. Press enter and accept this. Next, rent paid. Cash, rent paid. Rent paid. Amount is 25,000. So press enter and accept this. Next, cash. Office expenses. Office expenses is also indirect expenses, so it should be entered in payment voucher. Office expenses 20,000. Press enter. If you want to give the narration, you can give and accept this. Next, bill paid. Select cash. It should also be entered in payment voucher because it is an indirect expenses. Amount 1,000. Press enter and accept this. Next, fees received. It should be entered in receipt voucher. Press F6 because it is an income for the business. Fees received amount is 30,000. Press enter and accept this. Next, donation received 20,000. Press enter and accept this. Commission received. Cash. Commission received 15,000. Press enter and accept this. Now let us see whether the company is in the state of profit or loss. So press escape escape and go to balance sheet. So here you can see that profit and loss account is 19,000. So we can say that the company is in the state of profit because it is in the liability side. If the profit and loss account is in the liability side, it is profit because company considered that profit and loss, if we have to share the part of profit to the shareholders, so it is company considered it as liability. So if the profit and loss account comes under assets, it is considered as net loss. So profit and loss account, here net profit is 19,000, and you can also see indirect incomes, commission received, donation received, and fees received, and indirect expenses, bill paid, office expenses, and rent paid. That's all about receipt and payment voucher, guys. I have explained you about receipt and payment voucher. Today I will be explaining about cash and bank transactions. So cash and bank transaction refers to any business transaction which involves immediate payment or receipt of cash. When a transaction is made through the bank, then it is called banking transaction. So let us start with the problem. Cash and bank transaction. Mrs. Sindhu started a new business with 5 lakh rupees. She opened an SBI account with opening balance is 1 lakh rupees. In the previous problem, there was no opening balance, but in cash and bank transaction, there is an opening balance rupees 1 lakh, and computer purchase through bank, that is 35 rupees. Computer is an fixed asset. As I said before, fixed asset is nothing but asset purchased for a long term. And furniture purchased, furniture is also fixed asset. Mobile is also fixed assets. Rent paid is an indirect expenses. Salary paid is an indirect expenses. Donation received is an indirect income, and commission received through bank is also indirect income. Computer purchased 25,000. Petty expenses, indirect expenses. Computer purchased through bank 20,000, and interest received through bank, interest received is indirect income, and mobile was sold at 60% profit. Pass the necessary accounting vouchers. So let's start. Go to Tally ERP 9. Select work in educational mode option. Now press Alt plus F3 or go to company info. Now go to create company. Name of the company is Sindhu. Address Bangalore, India, country, and state Karnataka. Give pin code number, phone number, mobile number, email ID, sindhu@gmail.com. Website www.sindhu.com. Now press Ctrl plus A. Now the company got selected. So next press escape, and in gateway of Tally go to accounts info, ledger, multiple ledger, create, and press enter. Now Mrs. Sindhu started a new business with 5 lakh rupees. Enter the name Sindhu. Sindhu comes under capital account. She opened an SBI account with opening balance 1 lakh rupees. So ledger name is SBI Bank. It comes under bank account, and opening balance is 1 lakh rupees. Computer purchase through bank. So computer is a fixed asset. computer, furniture, fixed asset, rent paid. Rent paid is an indirect expenses. Salary paid. Indirect expenses. Donation received. Donation received. Indirect income. Commission received. It is also indirect income. Computer purchased. We have already created the ledger name computer, so no need to create petty expenses. Petty expenses is also indirect expenses. Interest received through bank. Interest received is an indirect income. Mobile. Mobile is an fixed asset. So now press Ctrl plus A. Now the ledger will be selected. Now press Escape and go to Accounting Vouchers. So first transaction is Mrs. Sindhu started a new business with 5 lakh rupees. It should be entered in receipt voucher. Press F6 or go to here receipt, cash, Sindhu, and the amount is 5 lakh. Press Ctrl plus A. Next, cash, computer. Computer. Here they are saying that computer is purchased through bank. So select bank, SBI bank, computer, and the amount is 35,000. Press enter, enter, enter. Furniture purchased. Furniture purchased should be entered in payment voucher, cash, furniture, 40,000. Press Ctrl plus A. Next, mobile purchased. It should also be entered in payment voucher, cash, mobile, and the amount is 15,000. Now press Ctrl plus A. Next, salary paid through bank. Bank, select bank, salary paid. Amount is 25,000. Accept the voucher. Next, donation received. We are receiving the donation, so it should be entered in receipt voucher. Cash, donation, receipt, amount is 10,000. Now press Ctrl plus A. Commission received through bank. Commission received. It should also be entered in receipt voucher because we are receiving the commission. 20,000. Now accept this voucher by pressing Ctrl plus A. Computer purchased 25,000. It should be entered in payment voucher, since we are purchasing this, cash, computer, 25,000. Petty expenses, it is a expenses, so entered in payment voucher, cash, petty expenses, 1,000. Accept this voucher. Interest received through bank, it should be entered in receipt voucher, bank, interest received 25,000. Now press enter, enter, enter and accept this. Mobile was sold at 60% profit. So in Tally, there will also be calculator, so you can calculate here. Mobile was sold at 60% profit and the amount of mobile is 15,000. So 15,000 into 60%, that is 9,000. 9,000 plus 15,000, and the total amount is 24,000. Cash, mobile, so amount is 25,000. Accept this. Next, press escape and go to balance sheet. So the profit and loss account, we have got the amount 29,000. If the profit is in the liability side, 29,000, indirect expenses 26,000, net profit 29,000, indirect income 55,000. So next, in fixed assets, computer 10,000, furniture 40,000 and mobile 10,000. Current assets, cash in hand 4,54,000 and bank account 1,55,000. If the profit is shown in liability side, then we can say that the company is in the state of profit. So that's all about cash and bank transaction, guys. In the next video, I will be explaining about bank to bank transaction. If you guys missed the previous video, please go to the description and take a look of it. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates or notification. Thank you.